All right, so hi everyone. It seems like we are live now. Please confirm in the chat if you can hear us and the video is also clear to you so that we can start this session. And this is going to be a very good opportunity for the 2024 batch pass outs by Morgan Stanley. So let's explore and please confirm in the chat so that we can proceed with the session. Hi everyone, and good morning to you too. Sarthak is saying all clear. Can other people also confirm in the chat if we are audible and visible to you so that we can start the session? Okay. So seems like everything is fine and good to go. So Pratham and Sushma, just letting you guys know that this particular opportunity is for the 2024 batch. Let's discuss about this opportunity and then we can also, have a discussion about the 23 batch and the 22 batch as well because you guys also have a lot of opportunities coming in. So first of all, let's, talk about this particular drive. So this is an internship, opportunity by Morgan Stanley. The role is technology summer analyst and let's also just check out here. So summer analysts join for 2 months in May of each year. So this particular hiring since the May of 2022 has already passed. So this is obviously for 2023. So this will be held in 2023, but it is for the 24 batch. And they have also explained the roles of a summer analyst a little bit here. And once the link is shared in the description, you can go to this page and have a look at it and check out all the information that you need to know. All right, let's just come down to the eligibility criteria first, and then we can check out the other sections. So qualifications, skills, or requirements are you are a bachelor's or a master's student in your penultimate year of study. That is, you should be 2024 batch pass out. Computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, information technology, or other related technical majors are preferred. So yeah, you can apply, but they will be preferring students from these particular fields. You have experience with at least one programming language, example Java, C++, or C hash, database knowledge. So definitely, goes without saying you should be having good programming language, and they've also mentioned a few languages here. So if you know one of them or all of them, good for you. And then you should also have good knowledge of operating systems and excellent problem solving skills. Again, this is very basic, goes for almost every job role or criteria. And experience in object oriented development, good comprehension of data structures. We have been stressing on it for a very long time now that data structures is your key to get into, a lot of good companies, a lot of students aspire to get into. You need to have really good knowledge of DSA, and then you have complexity theory, strong database and scripting skills. You have excellent problem solving, communication, teamwork skills, fluency in English. Again, everything that you need to know is already mentioned in the eligibility criteria. By the way, a detailed and structured post for this particular hiring will also be coming to our Instagram. So in case you want to check that out, make sure that you're following us on Instagram for Prep Insta 2024 batch if you're from the 2024 batch, Prep Insta 2023 if you're from the 2023 batch, and so on. We have batch wise accounts on Instagram for almost all the passouts. So again, let's also check out a little about the additional criterias, and then we can proceed to the form. There is a different method of registration, you can say, because a lot of students might get confused. So let's wrap with this, and we can just proceed for the form. And cities are Mumbai. They've also mentioned Bangalore, Bangalore being additional city. And education level, again, bachelor's, master's degree, both can apply to this particular drive as long as you are a 2024 batch graduate. Business unit, technology, job description is summer analyst. So they have mentioned everything right here. Let's check out how to apply for this drive. So, our team has already verified this particular drive and we came across that, there are little steps that you need to be mindful of. So once you click to this apply button, you will be redirected to this particular portal where you will be asked to register using your first name, last name, email ID, confirm your email ID, choose your password, again confirm the password, come down here, click here to agree, and then register. So first of all, you have to register if you're already not already registered on the on the portal. And then you will see this window called account created, and email has been sent to you with the verification link. So you have to check out your inbox for the registered email, the email that you used here for the form. Go there, you will see a click here option where it will be hyperlinked. You will be redirected to again their website, and your email will be verified. So then you'll see a window like this called account already validated. If you have already validated it, you will see this, and then you will be asked to log in. So if you want to log in, just click here. So once you click there, you'll just have to use the same email ID and password, log in again, and then you will see a page like this. Basically, again, now the registration process is actually started. This is the starting of the form. Just click on yes, I agree, and confirm this. And please to make sure to not fill up any wrong information. Fill this form only if you are a 2024 batch graduate. If you're from any of the other batches, do not worry. There are a lot of opportunities coming in for you guys as well. Just make sure to reach the relevant platform, and definitely check out our Instagram. And you can be from the 22, 23, 24, 25 batch even, but you need to just get connected to our team and check out the recent post on our social media platforms to apply to whichever drive you are eligible for. For this particular one, we have to, again, if you're a 2024 batch graduate, then only please tick yes here, click on the submit button, and once you do that, then your normal registration process will start. So please don't get confused. Once you're asked to verify your email, you will, then you'll have to just go to the login option and then log in again. Then only you will be able to reach the form. Otherwise, you won't see a form right after you register and confirm your email, and that might end up into confusion. So please do not worry about it. And if you have missed any steps, or if you want to rewatch this video, understand again what actually happened and how the form is, how you actually need to fill up the form, this video will be available on our YouTube channel. You can rewatch it as many times as you want, or share it with a friend who couldn't join this particular session. So once you have done that, then you'll see this window asking your personal details, and all the details that are required for you to fill up. Once you click on the save and continue button, you will be also asked to just enter a few more details. See, as you can see here, you have additional information, Queen University. I know all the other things that regularly go into form submission. You will be asked to submit all of that. So this was all about this particular drive by Morgan Stanley. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the chat below. We would be glad to help you out. And just the team is already active in the chat. They are already replying to the comments in the chat. So if you've not commented a query, or if you want to ask a question, please drop a query in the comment section below. All right. People are asking, is Morgan Stanley hiring for the 2022 pass out batch? As of now, there are no such updates. However, if you want to, apply to a drive by Morgan Stanley, they not being from the 24 batch, because this particular drive is for the 24 batch, you can just come down to our Instagram, and let me also just show it to you. Just give me a second. All right, so this is the Prepinsta 2024 handle. So again, for the students from the 2024 batch, you can just come down to this particular Instagram handle and check out whichever hirings are ongoing for you, and all the information updates that you need to get. And again, if we just talk about people from for some reason 2024 2022 batch students do have this query that they need to apply for Morgan Stanley, or they want to apply for Morgan Stanley. So in that case, you can just search Prepinsta, and whichever batch you are from, make sure to follow that particular account, because then you will receive updates which are only relevant and important for you. We do not want to spam you with the information that you do not really need. So if you're a 2023 batch graduate, make sure to follow this particular account. For 2022, we have Prepinsta 2022, and so on for other batches also. And then you also have Prepinsta off campus, where we are sharing content that is good and useful for everyone. And there are a lot of drives that we do not post on other accounts, but we post them here. So make sure that, whichever batch you're from, you're definitely following Prep Insta off campus. The links to all of these accounts is, in the description below. If you go down there, you will see a link called prepinsta.com/Instagram. Click on that, follow all the relevant accounts, and make sure to DM the team if you have any questions. So we also have Prep Insta experience for experienced candidates and Prep Insta Prime.club for exclusively for our Prime users. So, whichever account you want to follow that, or whichever one is relevant for you. Make sure to definitely DM our team. And if you have any questions, we would love to help you. Can 2023 fill this? No, this particular drive is for the 2024 batch only. However, if you're a 2023 batch graduate, again, suggesting you to come down to Instagram and search Prep Insta 2023. The link is already in the description as well as in the live chat. And just, come down to our Instagram handle, which we have made specially for you, and check out the drives that are ongoing and apply to the ones that you have wanted to apply to, and, be the first one to get market updates. People are also asking for apply link. So the application link will be available in the description of this video once this live session ends. And it will also be available on our Instagram handle, that is Prep Insta 2024. So if you're not following us on Instagram, make sure to check out. The post will be, I think the post will be up in the next 15 minutes at most. So make sure that you're following us there. All right. Is there something for 2025 batch? Yes, there are, even though you guys have a lot of time in hand, there are a lot of opportunities that you can, consider right now. And for that, we would suggest that you give us a call first on 844-844-0710 and, have a discussion with an expert mentor of ours and let them know that you're from the 2025 batch. What are the good options out there and what you should be focusing on right now. So that would be, in my opinion, the best route that you could take right now. Also, on that note, let me also show Prep Insta Prime to you. So all those who are new here right now, hi, this is the website that we have created with a lot of love and care for all of you guys to make sure that your placement preparations are going as smooth as possible, and you have all the information that you need in a structured way in one place, so you're not wandering on the entire internet as to what and how to prepare. You just have to come down to Prep Insta Prime and start your preparations. Those who are old to this channel, they already know about the website. So, you just come down here. And even if you are preparing for Morgan Stanley, as they mentioned that you need to know languages, example, Java, C++, C hash, etc. So, if that is something that you want to excel at or start with, just come down to the popular languages section, learn C, C++, Java, Python. A lot of languages are mentioned here. And once you complete these courses, you will also be issued a certification, which you can later include in your resume as a proof that you have actually studied these languages and you have knowledge of that. So, whether you're preparing for not even Morgan Stanley, even if you're preparing for other companies, or you're from the, you still have some time in hand, you're from the 24 or 25 batch graduate, and you want to still brush up your coding skills, learn more, or let's say that you have to apply to this drive right away, and you want to increase your knowledge in TSA and other stuff, just come down to Prep Insta Prime, check out what we have on the website for you. If you check out the popular skills section right here, just we have listed a lot of currently trending skills here. So make sure that you start your preparations for maybe any of them. If if you're a 2024 batch graduate, we would suggest that you start with AI ML, but again, a personalized guidance would be much better. So for that, you can just come, give us a call on this particular number mentioned here, 844-844-0710. And you can ask our team a question, or maybe if you want to, start your preparations, you can ask them how you should be starting your preparations so that you make a good and informed decision. The same goes for popular coding. Coding is something that most of the students struggle with. So if you want to start your coding preparations from scratch, or maybe get better at what you already know, check out the courses that we have for you. So we have basic coding, intermediate coding, competitive coding, and then DSA in different languages as well. So as for this particular drive, if you remember, Morgan Stanley clearly stated that you need to have good knowledge of DSA. So if that is something that you want to get better at or start with again, so just come down to this particular section, check out DSA, C++, Java, or Python, whichever language you want to get started in, or just talk to our team first. They will suggest you, what way you should be taking, or which, how you should be starting your preparations to make sure that you are utilizing the time that you have in the best way possible, and you are placement ready as, for all the drives that will soon be coming in for you. And then there are a lot of company based courses also, interview preparation courses, platform based courses, projects. Again, very, very important thing for, anybody who wants to get a job in the IT sector. Make sure that you have worked on some projects and you have, something where you can showcase that your skills and the knowledge that you have. So very important for you guys. Again, then you have CS subjects here, operating systems, DBMS, operating system, again, was something that Morgan Stanley mentioned. So make sure to check that out. And, the rest of the website is open for you to explore. Just come around Prepinsta Prime. The link is already in the, description below. I'm very sure the team must have checked it in the, shared it in the chat as well. So just check out Prepinsta Prime, or if you have any doubts, give us a call on this number or DM us on Instagram. We would love to help you out. So guys, if you have any more questions, please drop them in the chat below, and we will be wrapping up this session in the next 1 to 2 minutes. So if you have any questions, please comment them so that, we can help you out here. Nikhil asked, ma'am, there will be test, how we should prepare for this internship. I think, Nikhil, I just explained. If you want, you can just rewind this video once the live session ends and watch it again. Or if if you want actual good guidance in terms of us listening to you and providing you personalized solutions for all your problems, make sure to give us a call on 844-844-0710. All right. Chris Hemsworth asked, ma'am, any tips to get selected? Please make sure that you are good at coding, you have, relevant information of all the languages or, skills that they ask for, and you have worked on maybe 1 or 2 projects that you can showcase in your resume, attach to your resume and showcase basically once you get to the hiring process, because that will give you a leverage that you have actually worked on yourself and you will be shown as a good candidate. So very important tip for you. Also, please do not underestimate interview preparation. It is just as important as your assessment preparation. So, if that is something that you are struggling with or you want to get better at, again, just give us a call or maybe DM us. We would be glad to help you out with some tips and tricks to make sure that your interview goes really, really good. So I hope that was helpful. All right, so there are no questions now. Again, Chris, I hope I have answered your questions. And if you still want, to ask us a question, again, I would suggest that you give our team a call. So I guess that would be it. Thank you so much for joining this session. We will be back on YouTube again with a lot more hiring updates and informational updates for all of you guys. You can be from any batch. We are always here to take care of you and bring the the latest update to you guys. So make sure that you are subscribed to us here on YouTube, as well as you're following us on Instagram, because we do a lot of exclusive stuff on our Instagram. So be the first one to get those updates and apply to any drive that is currently live for you, or maybe your dream company is hiring right now. Make sure that you're following us on Instagram so that you're not missing out on any updates. Or maybe if Discord, Telegram, or WhatsApp is a platform of your preference, just check out the description of this particular video and see which particular platforms are we active on. And just a spoiler alert, we are there on every social media platform. So whichever one is of your preference, make sure that you are connected to us there through the links that are given in the description of the video. Also, the link to apply for Morgan Stanley will be shared in the description of this video once this live session ends, and a detailed and structured post of all the information that you need is already coming up on our Instagram. So make sure that you are following Prepinsta 2024 if you are a 2024 batch graduate. And we will see you soon again on for with another hiring update right here. So until then, have a good day.